In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove Facebook Pixel from Shopify. If you are updating your tracking setup, switching to a different pixel, or you simply no longer want meta tracking connected to your store, removing the pixel connection in Shopify is a clean way to do it. I will walk you through where to find the settings and what to click, so you can confidently disconnect the pixel you no longer need. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. From your main admin dashboard, look to the lower left area for settings and open it. Inside Settings, find and select Apps and Sales Channels. This is the place where Shopify lists the apps and channels connected to your store, including Meta integrations. In the Apps and Sales Channels list, locate and open the Facebook and Instagram app. This is the official integration that commonly manages your Meta Pixel connection and your data sharing preferences for Facebook and Instagram. Once you are inside the Facebook and Instagram app, look at the app navigation and click Settings. This area contains the controls for how Shopify shares customer and event data with Meta, including the pixel that is currently connected. Now, scroll or look for the section called Data Sharing Settings. This section is important because it is where the pixel connection is managed. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place by looking for details related to tracking, data sharing, or connected assets. Next to the pixel you want to remove, click Disconnect or Change, depending on what you see. If you choose Disconnect, it will remove the link between your Shopify store and that pixel. If you choose Change, Shopify will prompt you to select a different option, which is helpful if you are replacing one pixel with another rather than removing tracking entirely. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection, and make sure the change saves successfully before you exit. As an optional final step, if your goal is to stop all Meta-related activity through this integration, you can uninstall the Facebook and Instagram app entirely. To do that, go back to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, find the app again, and remove it from your store. Keep in mind that uninstalling can also disable other Meta features you may have been using, and that is all there is to it.